let's talk about static electricity. Thanks to Benjamin Franklin, we have electricity to power things like our lights in the house and other electronics. Static electricity is a weaker form of electricity, but it is still very powerful. Lightning is static electricity. That's right. Static electricity is a buildup of an electrical charge. Can you say electrical charge? That's right. There's an electrical charge on objects. Friction can create a charge, and a charge can bounce between objects. Just like with your magnetic force, opposite charges attract. So there's a positive and a negative, and they are attracted to each other. While the same charges, what's the word? Repel. That's right. Let's experiment with it. All right. Blow up a balloon. Here we go. Now, you want to charge your balloon. So, we're going to charge it by rubbing it on our clothes, okay? Now, you have just given your balloon a negative charge. So what kind of charge will a negative charge attract? That's right, a positive charge. So go ahead and see if you can get it to stick to a wall, get it to raise your hair, play with your static charge. Then we're going to do some more activities. You have a string and some Cheerios. What? Go ahead and tie a Cheerio to your string. Charge up your balloon, hold your string, and see if you can make your Cheerio move. That's right, static electricity. It's fun. Now charge again and hold it to your foil. Did you hear anything? Did you hear a crackle? I don't know. Play around with it. It's so much fun. Okay, can you make your cup move? What does that say about your cup? What kind of charge does it have? Play around with different objects in your house. See what kind of a charge it has. Positive, negative, do they attract, do they repel? Go have fun. I will see you back here for our next lesson.